Is your Peugeot 308's alarm going off randomly? Most often, it's a faulty door latch switch. These switches, located in door jambs, can corrode or wear out, sending false signals. Interior sensors, sensitive to movement or light, are another common culprit, sometimes triggered by vibrations or dust. Lastly, a weak battery, especially the 12-volt auxiliary one, can cause voltage drops that mimic a tampering signal. Start by checking these three areas: door latches, interior sensors, and battery voltage, which should be 12.6 volts or higher when charged. Use a Peugeot-specific OBD2 scanner to read fault codes for clues. For door latch switches, disconnect the battery, remove the door panel, and replace the switch, which costs around $20 to $50. Apply dielectric grease to prevent future corrosion. For interior sensors, try cleaning them or temporarily disabling them via the car's settings to see if that stops the alarms. You can also reset the ECU, which sometimes helps. If the battery is the problem, consider replacing it, especially if it's old. If you're comfortable with basic car repairs, these fixes are often DIY-able. However, complex ECU faults or persistent issues require a professional. Ignoring the problem can drain your battery or lead to further electrical damage. If the alarm continues after your attempts or you see ECU errors, don't hesitate to consult a mechanic. Also be aware of recalls. Some models have been recalled for faulty wiring in the alarm ECU, which can be fixed for free.